it a group show or like a...
It's a group show. It's going to be a neighborhood for something they're calling, well, it's curated by, okay, I forget the name of the curating brand, but it's a group show with many artists. I'm showing 3 works. My body of work pretty much is about how water remembers. Almost a nod to decolonizing amanzi, but not a morbid, but a continuation, a embracing of sun, an embracing of water. And we're hanging next week. It's gonna be lovely. And fam, I'm in a space where I'm leaning in to the whispers of the work. I'm leaning in. And I couldn't be happier. I couldn't be happier. I can't wait for you to see it. Sure, proofs. This was filmed off Gorée Island, photographed off Gorée Island, which was once where slaves were taken from Senegal. So there's a reclamation of boys who swim in there now, reclaiming that space. And the other one is a family. It's belonging. It's a family in Gabon, sitting at the edge of the sunset on water. Beautiful.
So gorgeous.
I love it. I love it.
Is that better?
Sir, this is better. I'm happy. We can go.
Yeah, the green is green.
The green is green.
Yeah.
The green is green, and the black skin tones are really good.
It's much better, man.
Yeah, and I really think also in combination with your ink, the grader did a good job as well.
I think there the ink was finished.
Okay.
The tape was finished. And that's why we're not getting full details. And this one, in terms of focus, the focus is here. Everything else is off focus.
Yes, everything else is off focus. Yeah, this is a family. It's belonging.
Okay.
So the foreground is the family, and everything else is what they're there to witness.
Okay.
And then the third image that I sent you, we have done proofs on the other side, but I would like you to print the new version. You don't have to show me proofs.
Okay.
It's just an export of a DPL file, because the grader said to me that there could be a little bit of banding if I don't export the right size tip.
Okay. So this will be.
This is such a beautiful time. I've often heard of LL editions, Springfield.
Man, I'm so hectic today, and
I can imagine. You know how many things are happening this weekend, and I'm sure they're all coming here. But Joe, please.
I will be ready. I will be ready for you.
No, I'm saying please hook me up. That's what everyone is saying to you.
Yeah.
Put me in front of it. Everyone is coming through. The man's busy.
Yeah.
Ozolunguza. Belonging. This is us. Emanzini.
Yeah. So that's that one. Let me open this one.
Yes, that one is fine. I'm very happy. Man.
It's a little bit slow again. But...
No, it's okay. I can imagine you got the most important work in the country just all here.
I take them out. Even yours, it has to live and go into a hard drive because your files are heavy.
Okay, no, I get you.
I think after project, I'll save it in a hard drive.
It's gorgeous.
Okay, this is this one.
That's that one.
I think I should just label them.
The green.
No,
it's like a painting.
Yeah, it's beautiful. Because you see, on the first proof we were struggling. It was printing too blue.
Suddenly it's a stereotype.
Yeah.
Blue.
Yeah. It was not giving us the lightness of the water.
Oh, look at that! I see it now in practice. Yeah. Proper.
Yeah. I think also maybe because you did adjust the images.
Yes.
And retouch. That might be also the greatness of what's in that image. So would you also like to see the proof of this one?
I mean, personally, I'm ready for you to go straight and print because I didn't adjust much. I've seen the proof.
Yeah, that first proof was good.
Exactly. So I'm very happy for us to continue.
Alright.
Do
Do you want to sign the artworks before you print?
I do. I want to sign a name.
Okay.
But if you want me to come back and sign over the weekend or what, I don't know how you work.
Yeah, we can do that.
Yeah, I can do that.
So what
tomorrow.
today I'll do, I'll print them and then they can dry overnight.
Perfect.
And then tomorrow morning, I think we can check what time we can meet.
Okay.
And then you can pop in, and then I can get Majika to set up for you because we're gonna work the whole weekend.
Oh, Siabong, I'm available to you. I'm
Okay.
available to you for that. I'm gonna sign. I'm available. I'm available.
Coming in for signing.
I'm coming in for signing, you know. Yeah.
That's the script, because it's so-
Yeah, but I'm really happy with the proofs.